Hello everyone, this is Michelle here and welcome back to another video. So if this is your first time seeing me, then consider subscribe my channel if you are interested in fitness, food or some fun lifestyles. Alright, so yeah, I know you want to lose fat. Yeah, so today I'm gonna work you through some of things that you can start doing today to help to lose some fat. Alright, so let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is to change your diet. So if you're eating fast food every day of a week, then maybe consider to reduce it to like 3 to 4 times a week, and other days you could cook by yourself. So in this video I'm not gonna tell you to stop eating fast food, stop eating pizza, stop eating burgers, stop eating fried chickens. No, I'm not gonna do that, but I want you to control the portion of those unhealthy or junky food that you put in your body. So for example, if you are eating those fast food every day, then maybe consider to cut it to 3 or 4 days at first, and then like fulfill the other days with nutrient food. So nutrient food such as you can involve more vegetables, because vegetables are full of nutrients and it has high fibers, which will prevent you to be hunger too quickly. And secondly, you can also include healthy fats such as like seafood, fish, avocados, and nuts even. So if you are a snack person, then consider substitute your chips to nuts or some fresh vegetables like carrots, cucumbers as your snack. So those are some kind of small change, but it will benefit in the long run. Okay, so I don't want you to be so frustrated of like how many calories you should eat and how to calculate calories. I personally find like calculating calories for each meal of my day is so frustrating and so stressful. And like eating should be a happy thing. It's not, I'm not gonna like sacrifice my happy mood to those, oh I shouldn't eat that, oh it's too much calories. No, and you're not gonna do it like every day. At a certain time you will be so stressful and you will quit those. Okay, so I just want you to be to have some mindset that what you should eat and what you should not eat. So for those things you should not eat, like those junky food, even ice cream, yogurt have plenty of sugar, you should know that those are not good for you, but you have choice to eat them or not, right? I cannot tell you don't eat them and you will not listen to me, right? But give you a correct mindset that those are not good for you, and you may choose to reduce amount of those and substitute those to a healthier food, such as you can change it like yogurt to maybe a plain yogurt or Greek yogurt because they have less of sugar, and change like if you're drinking soda every day, maybe can substitute to sparkling water, and just take a step at a time. Don't like be too harsh on yourself because you are not gonna sustain that. Okay, so another way to lose fat is to exercise, to do workouts, to get your body moving and to burn those energies from those fats. Alright, so if you are just a beginner or you just start to thinking like I want to work out, yes I should do workout, those are good for me, that is good sign. I really so proud of you by thinking of that. However, if you think yeah I want to do work, but what should I do? I know there are a variety of workout programs out there, even in the gym or online. There are so many of them, and it's just for beginners. I've been there too. I will be so frustrated with all those programs. I don't know what to select and I don't know which one is good for me. And for a beginner, you may hesitate to like go to a gym because there are a bunch of people there and you don't know what to do. So, and gym membership is another like cost of money, right? Right, so if you're considering that, I have a good news for you, because I have created this lose fat in 7 days program. You can find it in my channel, and I will also leave links down below. Basically, I have 4 workout videos for you. If you want to start losing fat today, you may want to check it out. So those 4 workouts videos, including one, it's a 20-minute interval training for your total bodies, and there are 20 exercises going on. So for each exercise, you will work for a certain time and rest for a certain time. And for a beginner, start with a 20-minute kind of cardio workout. It's a good start, right? This video will tell you every exercise that you can do, and the best thing is you can do it right now at home. So you don't have to need a gym, or you don't have to go to somewhere else to do this, and you don't have to use like weights. So only yourself and a space, then that's a good way to start. So the first one is the interval training video here, and I have also include a core training. The core is where your abs, right, and your glutes. So it's to maintain a strong core is very important even in your daily life. So for those of you who are gonna aim for like 6 packs or those, I mean, you cannot achieve that by only doing them, but it's a good way to start, even to experiencing those kind of exercise that you can work on your muscles, right? So another workout videos include upper body and lower body too. So for the upper body, basically you will be working on your shoulders, your arms, and your chest and your back. And in the video, I am using a pair of light dumbbells, but feel free to do it with only your hands at the first time, and you can start adding a small amount of weight if you wish, but I just want you to get started and get to see what kind of exercise you can do at home, okay, for free, okay? And in this interval training cardios, I have also included some body weight training, so it will work on some of your muscles, therefore your muscles get stronger, and it will help you to burn more fat afterwards, okay? So yeah, you will definitely be benefit for that. And for those upper body and lower body tones, you will also work through those isolates, those muscles. You will work on these muscles, and those muscles will help you to burn fat, okay? All right, so just a summary. If you want to start lose fat today, firstly, control the portion of those unhealthy food that you're gonna eat, and start to have some mindset and to change your diet step by step. And secondly, if you want to do some exercise today or start your workout journey, feel free to check my workout videos and follow the video, and to start burn your fat through workouts. All right, so leave a comment below if you have any questions. I will answer them as soon as possible. Yeah, so I hope you really enjoy this video, and I hope you really learn something from it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you want more tips or more workout videos or more fun videos from me. Yeah, check out my other workout videos in link down below. Otherwise, I hope you have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!